Hey everyone! Today I'm doing a comparison between Zoho Books and QuickBooks to help you decide which is the best accounting software for your business. Let's start with Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a cloud-based accounting tool that's great for small to mid-sized businesses. It helps you manage everything from invoicing and expense tracking to bank reconciliation and financial reporting. The interface is clean and easy to use, and it connects smoothly with other Zoho apps like Zoho CRM and Zoho Projects. You can customize invoices, track customer payments, handle taxes, manage inventory, and even automate workflows. It's flexible and often more affordable for small teams, especially if you already use other Zoho products. Now let's look at QuickBooks. QuickBooks, especially QuickBooks Online, is one of the most widely used accounting solutions in the world. It offers powerful accounting features, robust reporting, and a huge ecosystem of integrations with payroll tools, payment processors, and third-party apps. QuickBooks also has a well-established reputation in the accounting community, and many accountants are already familiar with it, which can make collaboration easier. So which one is better? It really depends on your needs. If you're a small business looking for an easy-to-use platform that gives you all the essential accounting features at a lower cost, with good automation and strong customer support, Zoho Books might be the best fit. It's especially strong if you already use other Zoho products. However, if you want a more feature-rich ecosystem with extensive integration options, advanced payroll support, and industry-standard accounting workflows, QuickBooks could be the better choice. QuickBooks has been around longer and is widely accepted by accountants, which can be a big advantage if you work with an external bookkeeper or CPA. Both tools are capable and both produce accurate financial reports. Choosing between them comes down to how much you want to spend, how complex your accounting needs are, and whether you prefer an interface that's beginner-friendly or one that's widely recognized in the accounting world. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss more business software reviews and tutorials.